Hi, Mary. It's Colette Smiley. I am using Screencast-O-Matic for the first time, so I'm experimenting on you. Um, when you use it and you talk to students, report to students, or explain things to students, do you put your face in the corner like I am, um, or do you just not and you just do sort of a headless voice? Um, anyway, love to hear your input on that. With Screencast-O-Matic, I'm going to show you how to make a home page. You know, we were talking about that with Kelly when we met. So I'm in one of my classes for this winter. Click on the plus sign, and you're going to scroll down to Add Module Page. Give the module page a name, Home Page. Going to make it available to users, and then go ahead and submit. All right, you've got a home page. Now it's time to add modules, course modules to that page, depending on what you want the students to see right away. So click on Add Course Module, and we want students to see alerts, announcements for sure. If you have tasks, maybe what's new, or needs attention, maybe a to-do, any of those modules that you want to see or you use, you can add. When you're done selecting the modules, go ahead and click OK. And here's your home page. Your home page has these various modules, alerts, announcements, what's new, tasks to do, etc. Now, if you would like that to be the first page that students see when they come to your course, come down to Course Management on the left, Customization, and select Teaching Style. Under Teaching Style, you can select the entry point for your class. Let's say we're going to make the entry point the home page, and go ahead and submit. So now you've created a home page, you've added the modules that you want, and made it the first page that students will see. I hope this helps. And again, let me know what you think. How can I improve my use of Screencast-O-Matic? Thanks, Mary. Bye-bye.